was invited to Washington, D.C. with the Washington seminar by one of my professors. Her name is Miss Marianne Denning. The Washington seminar is when all of the states come together from each affiliate of the National Federation of the Blind to come and try to pass laws for the blind and visually impaired. It's the seminar you talk to other members of the NFB to discuss how members of the NFB are going to present the laws to your representatives. You also learn about the different legislators, and you also learn about your state representatives. You also get to meet new people from different organizations from different states. NABS, the National Association of Blind Students, is the student division of the NFB. NABS has been around for about 50 years. NABS is the oldest division in the NFB. The NABS members helped to put on activities and meetings. We discussed how blind and visually impaired people go to college and how to advocate for yourself. When I saw the other NAPS members, I felt normal. I also did not feel ashamed of my vision. I told the story about my life. I never knew that there were different NAPS divisions around the states. I also did not know there is a lot of NAB members. I made some new friends at the student seminar. On Saturday, they gave me advice about things that are happening in my life. My favorite thing was when we talked about the things blind and visually impaired people go through every day. One of the things that we talked about is how blind people get discriminated because of our vision loss. In the last 2 days, we went around to the representatives, shared about the laws, about the bills, and learned what they are. Why would these laws be helpful for the blind and visually impaired? I said it would help us by being a more independent blind person. I also said if more things were accessible for the blind, such as workout equipment, washers, and their home appliances, then these changes would help us blind people be more independent. Washington, D.C. seminar was a great learning experience. It felt amazing trying to make a difference for the blind and visually impaired. Hope that I can attend more of these seminars in the future.
Nice job. Okay, so